Showing a hidden feature in an industrial or HVAC product is a massive challenge. And this image was the entire explanation for one of the most breakthrough technologies for Napoleon's furnace line. And the technology is called vortex technology. The main benefit from this vortex technology that it increases the thermal output by 14%. Without going too much into the technical details, the normal path of the air in the normal furnace is in a straight line. But in the vortex technology, the air moves in a spiral path, which increases the speed of the air and increases its temperature. Therefore, the thermal output increases. So what we have here is not a marketing claim, but this is a real measurable performance. But as we have said, this is an invisible advantage. The users can see what's happening inside this metal box or inside the furnace. So no camera or no product photo can capture this directly. And since there isn't a way to show this on camera, the next default thing that you have is you should describe your feature. But the problem with explaining hidden features with images is that static images feels like homework. So let me explain why. Explaining hidden features with images is a mental work because people or the viewers should animate what they are seeing themselves in order to imagine what's happening inside. And of course, this isn't a very simple thing to explain to yourself. So when we have this mental work added to this technical burden, we will get a silent objection. This cognitive effort will raise some doubts, and these doubts will lead to an increase in the sales cycle. So when Napoleon brought us to work on this project, they didn't have a shot list, but they have this engineering explanation that I have just explained now. So we proposed to show how exactly it works inside. We simulated how the air moves inside the furnace. Also, they wanted an exploded view to show the internal parts in the furnace. And there is a story. I think most agencies will hide this story from everybody, but to be honest, I should share this story. When we exploded the internal parts for the first time, we exploded a specific part called the shore view. And this shore view is like a window where you can see the flames inside the furnace. And of course, we were working with the marketing team and the engineering team at the same time. So when the marketing team have seen this shot, the marketing team showed this shot to the engineering team, and the engineering team came up with this feedback that this shore view shouldn't come out with the internal parts, and we fixed this issue in the shot. And what we have provided to Napoleon wasn't just a single video, it was a visual asset system. We provided them different sizes of videos, like the traditional video, the 16:9, and the vertical video for social media, and also some custom sizes like the 1:1, the square video, so they can post these videos for different social media platforms. For trade show screens, they used the traditional video, the 16:9 video, and for social media, they have used the vertical video, and also they have used this traditional video, the 16:9, for the product pages. And by the way, they have used this video for YouTube. And the best thing about YouTube here is that YouTube isn't a social media platform. YouTube is the second largest search engine. So when they title the video with a problem that they know that their customers have, they will attract search traffic. And search traffic is a high intent traffic. When people watch the video and understand what is your product providing, in most cases they are already sold. And they were very happy with the project and gave us a very nice testimonial. And after this project, they came to us again for a second one, but this time for an AC unit. But we can talk about this project later. And the most important lesson that we have here is that if you are an industrial company or an HVAC company, if your most innovative features can only be explained with a diagram, this is not a video problem. This is a comprehension gap. There is a miscommunication between you and your customers. And using a video like this is the best way to help you solve this problem. Because what is the cost of not solving this? The cost is deals that you never find out you lost. Because people can't understand what they can't see. And when they can't see, the doubts raises. And this translates into a silent objection. Because if you are in a trade show and people saw a video like this, they already know the solution that your product is providing. They don't even need to look at your product. And speaking of this, I highly recommend that you watch this video here, as it talks about how you can explain a demo or a complex product without having an engineer or without shipping the product in a trade show across the country. And if you are a B2B company, an industrial company, or an HVAC company and have a product launch or a trade show in the upcoming days, feel free to book a visual strategy session with me from the link down in the description below. Thanks, and I will see you there.